Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this grunge outfit and dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it black. And then combine it with this one, make it black as well. And put on the sunglasses, make it this color. Okay, make it black. And then you're going to put on this belly rings, make it black. And then this gloves, make it short and remove the fur. And you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to move to this top area and put on this top. And then we're going to apply pattern, this pattern guys. All right, and put on this boots. And then we're going to make it black. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this mesh, and then we're going to make it thick. Okay, and I'm going to move to this area, and then we're going to put on this skirt. For the skirt, I'm going to apply this pattern. And sorry guys, I'm going to go back to this area and put on this top. And then for this top, I'm going to apply this pattern. Okay, done. And I'm going to go to this area and put on this belt. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the changing room. From the changing room, I'm going to go to this menu, select this skirt, and I'm going to choose this skirt only. And for the skirt, I'm going to apply this pattern, this one, for the first selection until the third selection. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the coats item and select this dress. And then we're going to choose toggle 4 and make it black. Okay. And then I'm going to put on this necklace. Just leave it like that. And I'm going to add this eyelash. Okay. And okay guys, this is for the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to create this grunge outfit and dress and press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.